You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A beautiful word that I believe comes from French originally, terrace. If you want to learn more vocabulary, more pronunciations, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. In English, the pronunciation is as terrace. Let's break it down. The British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Te, a te sound, and then rus, alright? So it's not terrace. It looks like it should be terrace from the spelling, but no, terrace. Stress on the first syllable, on the te syllable. Stress on that one. Terrace. 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 How to pronounce English pronunciation. Terrace. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.